What is programming? I think you wonder to know it. Let's find out together. How's going on, guys? And this is Brooke from programming class. If you are new from programming class teaches programming related stuffs as well as some other technologies. And if you are new for this channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss anything. Today's programming class is focused on what is programming. So if you look to a computer, you think that it is powerful or incredibly powerful and amazing thing, but that is not real thing, okay? Because your computer does not or cannot do anything by itself unless instructed by programmer or someone by human. So if you program him, he can do that thing powerful because it is ability to do that command ability greater than we take from humans. Something that makes the computer is powerful, and that instruction you give the computer to do something is programming. It is simply that instruction is programming. Programming is simply instruct the computer or the robots to do something, okay? And not only that, but we are also programming. We program someone to come home and setting an alarm, and we can also find program many areas, okay? In the games, applications, even we found programming a back of a website. Programming is a science because it implements the algorithms described by mathematics in the science. Also it is a skill because it requires design effort. Also it is an internal because it requires trade-offs between program size, time, which required for development and debugging, and many terminability among many sources. Also it is an I think guys, now you have good understanding of what is programming means, and now I will explain what is the difference between programming and coding. Some people it makes ambiguity between peoples that what is programming and what is coding. Okay, now programming is program something to do something, to do that, to do this, program computer to do this, to do that. It is just commanding, but coding is not that. It has mathematics and other things. It is the power of programming. You can say coding is the power of programming. Programming is coding to command a computer. In order to command some computer, we have to use coding. When we code, we say that programming, but the process is programming, but that we write the code or the language that we writing is coding, okay? That is a code, but the process is programming, okay? Guys, the process is programming, but the language is code. Or when we see that someone writing something, but he says that I'm programming a robot to do this, to wash dish, to go autonomously, but his the written document is code. Alright guys, this is all about today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye.